I've just made some notes in here on how to use the notebook, but for you guys should know already that if you want to run a block of code, you press Control Enter or Shift Enter and you will run that. And then if, for those of you who do use the GitHub channel and who do run the code, just know that if you've, let's say for example, you've gone through all of this work and you just want to start from fresh one day again and have no output like over here, that sort of ruins the results for you. You can go to Cell and then you can go all the way down to All Output and Clear. And it will clear all the output so that you can start from fresh running each block again. So that just, and then the other thing is, if sometimes you get an error that says something like the variable name is not defined, and that may be in Jupyter, they run the block as one piece of code. So if you, for example, sometimes you might put this in one block here on top and put this in another block, then it sometimes will give you that error because it's looking for my DNA, for example, and it can't find it because the two blocks are almost, they look like two separate bits of code to Jupyter, and it follows sequentially. So this has to be run first before you run this part. And so if you don't run this first, because you cleared the code, and this sits in another block here above, and you just want to go straight to running this, it will give you that error because the variable isn't defined. So you either need to make sure they're all in the same block, or you must make sure that this part is also run first in the code above.